The 2024 Genesis Electrified G80 has gone through one of the most detailed and rigorous safety evaluations under the supervision of the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration. Conducted by MGA Research Corporation between November 11, 2024 and June 20, 2025, the tests examined every aspect of the vehicle's ability to protect its occupants in real-world crash scenarios. From frontal impacts to airbag deployments and electrical safety checks, the Electrified G80 was evaluated under the Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standards 208, 212, 219, and 305. Throughout multiple test phases, the luxury electric sedan demonstrated consistent performance that met and in many cases exceeded the federal standards. Using advanced Hybrid 3 crash dummies representing different age and size groups, each test was designed to push the vehicle's safety systems to their limits. The report confirmed that no test failures were identified, a strong indication that Genesis engineered the Electrified G80 to deliver exceptional occupant protection. During the 40 km/h frontal impact test, the results for the belted 50th percentile male dummy recorded a head injury criterion of 104 for the driver and 169 for the passenger, both well below the maximum allowed value of 700. Neck tension and compression levels were also within safe margins, and the chest acceleration remained below 60 G, which is a crucial indicator of survivable crash forces. The overall injury numbers confirmed that the seatbelts, airbags, and structural integrity work together in harmony. In low-risk deployment tests, smaller occupants, such as the 5th percentile female, 6-year-old, and 3-year-old dummies, were exposed to simulated airbag deployments in different seating positions. The results showed minimal neck forces, negligible head impacts, and chest loads far below federal thresholds. In fact, the 5th percentile female dummy registered a head injury value of only 13 in one configuration and 15 in another, an impressive outcome that demonstrates excellent restraint tuning. The Electrified G80 also underwent stringent checks for its high-voltage electrical system under FMVSS 305. This test ensures that electric vehicles maintain safe insulation levels, prevent electrolyte leakage, and eliminate the risk of electrical shock following a collision. The report concluded that the G80 met all these requirements with no electrolyte spillage or electrical compromise detected. All suppression and readiness tests confirmed that the passenger airbag systems, warning lights, and reactivation functions worked precisely as intended. From the seatbelt warning chime to the proper illumination of the suppression telltale, every system was verified to be compliant and functional. Even with advanced sensors that detect child or small adult occupants, the G80's restraint system performed flawlessly. From start to finish, the testing program validated that the 2024 Genesis Electrified G80 is not only built to comply, but designed to protect. Its engineering blends electric sophistication with uncompromised safety. For buyers considering a luxury electric vehicle that prioritizes both performance and peace of mind, these official test results offer clear reassurance. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated with more in-depth automotive reports and real crash test insights.